wanted to know about hadith where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said killing house lizard is an act to earn sawab. When I searched the reason, I learned that it was because house lizards help igniting the fire where Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam was thrown. I am confused if that is the reason. Is it justified to kill any home lizards? Considering the house lizards have free will in this dunya, then being rewarded after killing any house lizards seems unjust, because every house lizard was not involved with the incident of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. And if they don't have free will, rather they acted on Allah's commandment, that would be unjust too. Or is there actually other reasons stated in hadith or Quran for killing them? For example, the harmful effects. Of course, Allah and His Rasul know best. What the brother is referring to, the various hadith in which the Prophet, peace be upon him, did say that you can kill house lizard. Arabic the word is wazak, in English it is gecko. There's hadith, various hadith, I'll just quote to you three hadith, which will inshallah clarify your question. There's hadith in Sahih Muslim, hadith number 5844. Hadith in Sahih Muslim, volume number 6, hadith number 5844, where the beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, said that he enjoined the killing of wazak, gecko, because they are phoisic. That means they are venomous, they are venom, they are harmful, they are poisonous. A similar hadith of the same topic is in Sahih Muslim, volume number 6, hadith number 5447. And here beloved Prophet Muhammad said that if you kill a wasak or a gecko or a house lizard, in the first blow you will get 100 hasanat. If you kill in the second blow, you will get less hasanat. If you kill in the third blow, then lesser hasanat. So this was mentioned in Sahih Muslim, volume number 6, hadith number 5847. So here we come to know from this hadith that the reason that the Prophet has commanded us to kill a house lizard is because it is phoisic, that is, it is venomous, it is a venom, and it has harmful effect. So the main reason is given in this hadith, and that is the reason Allah said you will get hasanat. But there's one more hadith which is there in Sahih Bukhari. Our beloved Prophet said in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 4, hadith number 3359, that he said that kill the house lizard, and this same house lizard used to blow in the fire where Ibrahim alayhi salam was put. Here the hadith doesn't say that you have to kill because he is a descendant of a lizard which blew. It is just giving information that this is the same category of lizard whose ancestors blew in the fire to increase it in the fire which Ibrahim salam was put, indicating that by nature the lizards are evil. This hadith never says that you have to kill because the ancestors blew. The reason for killing is given in the other hadith I quoted earlier of Sahih Muslim, that because they are venom. And there are various other harmful creatures which the Prophet has commanded. The Prophet said the lizard, whether it's in the house or whether it's in the farm, it's talking about a particular kind of lizard. These kind of lizards which are harmful. And today we know that these lizards, because of it, can cause a lot of diseases amongst the human being. These house lizards, they travel, they can go to the food, they can leave their droppings into the food, they can urinate, they go on the wall, they leave their droppings, because of which various diseases, it can harm the human beings. So because they are harmful, the Prophet told you should kill. And there are various other harmful vermin in which the Prophet asked you to kill. For example, scorpion, for example, snakes, for example, mice, for example, rats. So all these comes in the category of harmful animals. And this lizard is a small lizard. The other categories of lizards which don't fall in the house lizards, it is not permitted to kill. So normally the general ruling is the harmful insects and animals like rat, mice, scorpion, snake, house lizards, the Prophet has commanded to kill. It is mustahab to kill. All the other insects which are not harmful, killing is makruh. You should not. If they are not harming you, you should not kill this insect. If you kill, it's makruh. Some may kill because of fear, though they may not be harmful. You know, you find many a times killing insects which are not harmful also. So this becomes makruh. The hadith in the Prophet said that why are you lighting a fire where there are ants? So from this we come to know that the killing has been ordained by the Prophet because it's harmful and spreads diseases amongst the human beings. That's the reason. It is not because the ancestors blew at the fire of Ibrahim salam. The reason is that's the indication that these lizards, this particular kind of lizard, that is wasak or gecko, the house lizards, they are evil. That's it. But the reason they should be killed is because they are harmful, and Islam is correct and justifies that if someone is causing harm to you and causing disease, it's better to end their life so that it will be beneficial for the human beings. Hope that answers the question.